Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're going to explore the charming village of Wolfenschiessen in Switzerland, nestled in the picturesque Swiss Alps. Wolfenschiessen is a hidden gem that's waiting to be discovered. With its quaint cobblestone streets, traditional Swiss chalets, and breathtaking mountain views, Wolfenschiessen is a photographer's dream. Whether you're hiking through the nearby forests, skiing down the slopes, or simply strolling through the village, you'll be captivated by the beauty and tranquility of this enchanting place. So if you're planning a trip to Switzerland, make sure to add Wolfenschiessen to your itinerary. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, safe travels! Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to take a virtual tour of Via Jacobi in Geneva, Switzerland. Via Jacobi is a stunning street in the heart of Geneva, known for its picturesque architecture and vibrant atmosphere. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists alike. With its blend of modern and traditional buildings, and its bustling cafes and shops, one of the highlights of Via Jacobi is its historic buildings, such as the Maison Tavel, which dates back to the 13th century. The street is also home to the impressive St. Peter's Cathedral, a must-see for any visitor to Geneva. If you're looking for a taste of Swiss culture, Via Jacobi is the perfect place to start. So pack your bags and join us on this virtual journey to Via Jacobi in Geneva, Switzerland. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Geneva's water fountains in Switzerland. Geneva, the picturesque city nestled in the heart of Switzerland, is home to over 100 water fountains. These fountains not only provide refreshing water to the locals, but also serve as a symbol of the city's rich history and culture. One of the most iconic fountains is the Jet d'eau, which shoots water up to 140 meters high. This impressive fountain is a must-see for any visitor to Geneva. Another noteworthy fountain is the Fountain of the Three Graces, which depicts the Greek goddesses of grace, charm, and beauty.